Hi, welcome. This is paragraphing in Key Stage 3 English. So let's read what this is about. So paragraphs split text into manageable sections and show the development of ideas. There should generally be one major idea in each paragraph. Make paragraphs shorter if writing for children. For the website or for a leaflet, in these cases, you can't rely as much as usual on your reader's concentration. So structure within paragraphs is also important. It helps if each paragraph begins with some indication of its main idea. After the first paragraph, it also helps the reader if you show how the paragraph relates to the previous one. Do this using a link word or phrase. The middle of the paragraph should develop this, and the end may give a sense of closure or hint at what is to come. But we were wrong, as we soon found out, according to this particular section at the bottom that says remember. So paragraphs make text manageable. Order them carefully. Try to include the main idea in each one. Aim for development within each paragraph too. Use beginnings to tell the reader what to expect. And finally, part 3, which is ordering your paragraphs, depends on subject matter. So if using a system such as mind mapping or spider diagrams or flow diagrams for that matter to plan and structure an essay, it may be that each branch of your diagram can become a paragraph. So for example, if you have a spider diagram and you have 6 various legs and points on that spider diagram, each particular point on the spider diagram could become a paragraph. Opening and closing paragraphs are especially important for getting your reader's attention and pulling ideas together. One way to order paragraph is chronologically, which means putting them in order of events. This is the obvious way to order a story, a historical account, or even a crime report. Another way is in order of importance. You might choose to deal with the most important things first, or if you're arguing a case, to save them till the end. Do have a read of this particular paragraph again, three different paragraphs, main paragraphs, and you've got follow-up questions to answer. And good luck with this. We'll go through every single question in our next class. Thank you.